on the way to Shayne'S Beach thing.
On the way to Shayne'S Beach thing.
And stop over because he forgot to tie it down. Okay.
He's gonna vlog, I gotta get this. In the moment I'll be on my way.
So we're here at Shayne'S Beach Barbecue. Everyone say hi. These are all my friends. Was it cold? Where's your towel? Hi, friend.
And it was your cup too.
Josh, you look super dark in this lighting.
Well, thanks.
I fell in oceans with you. We swam around all the others and dove right into blue. I see no color with you. We lose our sense of time, fade into something new. I fell into the deep end. You start to rise above me. I tried to pull you in. Now all that I can dream of is a place where you're my love. But you know everybody, and you found somebody who knows what I knew. Still want to fall with you. I want to fall in the oceans like we used to. You know everybody, and you found someone, yeah. You think that is true. Still want to fall with you. I want to fall in the oceans like we used to do. Pressure right now. I need to pick me up, but baby you're not around. And all the things that I've seen, they drop into the water. I'm living in a dream. I fell into the deep end.
Tutorial. Step 1, grab tongs. Step 2, clap it. Step 3, flip the fucking burger. How do you flip it?
Okay, now next.
Can I do this one? Or no?
Not yet. Try and get that one. Go like that, yeah. No, like shove from the outside in.
Oh, shove from the outside in.
From that outside too, before it rips in half.
Shove.
Yeah. Now grab the middle of it and then flip it.
Cooking 101. Just call me Chef Reese. Hi,
You are in it.
I'm from the island of Hawaii.
Oh shit. Had to get it in there.
You mix that Negro with that Creole, make a Texas Bama.
Oh!
I build my love like a castle in the sun. And when it comes down, it comes tumbling to the ground when she speaks. It's a dangerous fantasy, sets me free, where I wanna be. She sets me free, where I wanna be, wanna be. She sets me free, where I wanna be. And her hair blows like a lighter in the wind, and I lose my senses, baby. She gets under my skin when she speaks. She's all I'll ever need. She sets me free, oh oh, to where I wanna be, I wanna be. She sets me free, where I wanna be, I wanna be. She sets me free, where I wanna be, I wanna be. Hey. She sets me free, where I wanna be, I wanna be. She sets me free, hey, where I wanna be. I build my love like a castle in the sand, and when it comes down, it comes tumbling to the ground. When she speaks, it's a dangerous fantasy. Sets me free, where I wanna be. She sets me free, where I wanna be, wanna be. She sets me free, to where I wanna be. Hey. She sets me free, where I wanna be, I wanna be. She sets me free, where I wanna be, I wanna be. Hey.
Okay, cheers everyone! Cheers! Yay! Kurt, you're gonna be in it no matter what you say.
Yeah, like I
Why?
go like that. And then
So Shane has this really weird idea of how to make his dog drink beer. Let's see this.
a divey? It's a Japanese restaurant. Yeah, like it looks like a Japanese restaurant.
Oh my god, princess!
Tanaka.
Tanaka bloodline, hey!
Hurry up, finish. Finish it.
Shot, take a shot.
Finish it. Yeah.
Oh my god, I can't believe you just did that.
Diarrhea. I'm gonna have to clean it up tomorrow.
Oh my gosh. Do you give her like a full bottle sometimes?
That much. Just little sips of liver diarrhea. I give her kind of a lot.
White arms, more like sugar. But better quality.
Oh my god, you're gonna be drunk, princess.
That's enough, okay?
Go for happy hour here, because it's cheaper.
What are you gonna do to your kids? Give them beer.
Teach them how to drink Heinekens?
The Shane drink, the green bottle.
You're
Finished it.
Done? Good girl. You know that, huh?
I'm here. Cheers! Bing! Eating their food. And videotaping your dog.
Yeah, but how do you even know what you're videotaping? The screen is facing the other way.
Oh my goodness!
So I got cold and I asked for a blanket.
Oh yeah? That's not a blanket.
It is a blanket.
It's a sleeping bag. No,
Is it really?
I think it's a
I think you just
comforter.
fold it in half.
Hour. Usually it's
Smile.
Amazon's in the desert.
Really?
Palm Springs.
Cat study decides.
Katniss does it?
Yeah. Like all over here. Princess! Come here! I don't know.
She said just, as
What are you doing?
I know, I feel like I need to layer it up though.
Are you recording?
So this is Josh, owner of the vlog, being a burrito.
A burrito?
This is Jazz, the one that was being a retard on the other one.
I do always have blanket at parties.
Bronson, where's my blanket, please?
Literally.
This is Aaron, being the ratch at the beach.
Ratchet.
The major ratch.
I'm not a rat.
Sometimes. This is Jenny.
Over here.
Cosmic. Oh, I made. Oh, Shaka Master. Shaka. Oh my god.
Hey, there's fishies on this.
Here's fishies.
Oh.
Here's a Kate Spade fetus. Wait, are you trying to focus?
See, Jenny doesn't drink either.
I don't drink. She just doesn't drink beer.
Oh, bitch.
What about these? At least you're gonna
Update.
Update.
I got a new scarf. And I have glasses on my eyes.
Oh.
Rickard's here. Oh! What the?
I know, yeah. She was like, oh, she wants to drink.
12, 7, or 9%.
Hi.
Go! Aaron, go!
Already on there, you gotta do it. I almost did it.